At the end we will see how we can create the outline by using vertices instead of using the curve tool. Let's go to top view. Let's bring the 3D cursor here and we add a plane here. We scale it down. Okay, now I will go to edit mode. I will delete uh, these three vertices so that we are left with only one vertex of this plane. So let go to vertex mode, select this vertex, shift this vertex, shift this vertex, and delete all these vertices. So now we are left with only one vertex. We select this vertex, we grab it and bring it to the location of our choice. Now I will create an outline of a shape by adding uh, new vertices. It is just like when we draw a drawing on a piece of paper by using dots. So to add a new dot or to add a new vertex, we will use we will press control left click, control left click, control left click, control left click. Now just a minute, the shape is a bit weird here. Let's undo it. Okay, control. So let's say that this is our required shape or the required outline, and we want to spin these vertices along this center point, which is the location of our 3D cursor. So the rest of the process is the same. We select all the vertices and we select the spin tool. Now because in the last spin operation we choose the y-axis, so now it has started with the y-axis. We will spin it along y-axis. I will do rest of the spinning by using the spin menu. I want to spin it at 360 degrees, so and let's say instead of 18 I want to have suppose 24 steps. So we have 24 steps here. So our spin is done. Alt Shift click, so this whole loop of edges is selected. Press the F key to create a face and close this. Now let's do a bit different here. Let's undo it. Let's undo the selection. Suppose I want to create a face along these edges instead of these. So instead of selecting this loop of edges, I will select Alt Shift this set of edges. You can see it from here, and I press the F key. Now the face is created here to make it more realistic. So our shape is done, it's complete. However, it appears that it is lying as if it is lying on the ground, so we have to rotate it along this x-axis by 90 degrees. So rotate along x 90. and our shape is rotated by 90 degrees. So this is how we can create a shape by uh, creating the outline using vertices. Actually, control left click extrude vertices. If you use a E command, it will do the same thing. So now we have create the outline of our vase by using two methods. First, by using the curve tool or the Bezier curve. Then we have to convert the curve into a mesh, and then we apply the spin tool, and at the end we close any open faces. In the next shape, we have created the outline by extruding our vertices using control left click command. Once the outline is complete, make sure that the 3D cursor is at the point around which the spin tool has to spin those vertices, and rest of the steps are same. So this is all for today's lecture.